Hello everyone. Today in this video we will be starting the first chapter of your math syllabus. The name of the chapter is Large Numbers. Before we start, let us recap a few topics that you learned in relation with large numbers in the previous class. For example, you learned how to write the expanded form of the numbers. You also learned how to write the place value and face value of different numbers. We also learned how to arrange numbers in ascending and descending order. Then we compared numbers and learned how to use the greater than, less than or equals to sign between two numbers. We also learned how to find the predecessor and successor of numbers. In this chapter, we will be doing all of these once again with 5, 6 and 7-digit numbers. So let's start with 5-digit numbers. We know that the smallest 5-digit number is a combination of ones and zeros, while the largest 5-digit number is a combination of all nines. Let us have a look. The smallest 5-digit number is 10000. In figures 10000, in words 10,000. So you see, when it is a 5-digit number, the place value starts from ones, then tens, then 100, then 1000 and 10,000. Similarly, the greatest 5-digit number is 99999. In words 99,999. When we place it in the place value chart like this, it becomes easier to write the number in figures. Let us try the same with 6-digit numbers. The smallest 6-digit number is 1,000,000. In words 1 lakh. You see, as one digit increased over here, one more place value increased. So now the place value starts from ones, then tens, then 100, then 1000, then 10,000 and finally lakh. Similarly, the greatest 6-digit number is 999,999. In words 9,99,999. Once again, you will notice that after putting it in the place value table, it becomes easier to write the number in words. Now let's move on to the 7-digit numbers. Once more, the smallest 7-digit number is 10,000,000. In words 10 lakh. Here we have another place value added, that is 10 lakh. So now our place value goes from ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. And the greatest 7-digit number is 999,9999. In words 99 lakh, 99,999. Now let us see some examples. Write the numbers in words. So you have a number over here 315287. As I mentioned before, writing it down in the place value chart makes it easier. So first we will put it down in the place value chart. So in words the number will be 3,15,287. Let's see another example. 2345315. This is a 7-digit number, so the place value goes from ones to 10 lakh. Now, writing it in words, the answer will be 23,45,315. I would like to mention a few points for you to remember. When we write a number in words, we start with a capital letter and then continue with small letters. We do not use any capital letter in the between. Also, we do not write lakhs, thousands or hundreds. We only write lakh, thousand, hundred. Next, we have another example. Write the numbers in figures. So you have a number here written in words. 7,03,522. Once more, placing them in the place value chart makes it easier. So after we draw the place value chart, we put 7 in the lakhs place, we put 3 in the thousands place, we put 5 in hundreds place, we put 22 in the tens and ones place. So our number in figures is 703522. Let's try another example. 45,82,620. Once more, let's put it in the place value table. We put 45 in 10 lakh and lakhs place. We put 82 in 10,000 and thousands place. We put 6 in hundreds place and we put 20 in the tens place. Since there is no ones, so we put 0 in the ones place. So our number in figure will be 4582620. I hope you were able to understand how to do this. Now let's move on to the second part of our chapter, where we will learn how to use an abacus. You must have seen an abacus before. Usually it is a structure made of plastic or wood and it has lines where each line stands for one place value. For example, here in our diagram we have 6 lines where starting from ones and ending in lakhs. Now let us take an example. We have a number 240513. Now we will represent this number on the abacus. Let's see how to do it. As usual, we will first put it in the place value chart. Now we know which place value holds which number. So in the ones place we have 3. So we will draw 3 circles in the ones place. Next, the tens place has 1. So we will draw 1 circle. The hundreds place has 5. So we will draw 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 circles in the hundreds place. Next, we can see that the thousands place has 0. So we will leave the thousands place empty. In the 10,000s place we have 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Finally, in the lakhs place we have 1, 2 circles. So this is how a abacus will look for the number 240513. I hope you understood how to do this. Let us see a few more examples. Represent number 574623 on an abacus. First we will put it in the place value chart. After that, the abacus will look something like this. As you can see, I have already placed the circles in the respective place values. The ones place has 3, the tens place has 2, the hundreds place has 6, the thousands place has 4, the 10,000s place has 7 and the lakhs place has 5. Towards the end, we will write down the number in words, that is 5,74,623. Let's see another example. The number here is 4317506. So this is a 7-digit number. So our place value goes from ones till 10 lakhs. Similarly, in the abacus, the place value goes from ones to 10 lakh. So in ones place we have 6, in tens place we have nothing, in 500s place we have 5, in thousands place we have 7, in 10,000s place we have 1, in lakhs place we have 3 and in 10 lakhs place we have 4. Towards the end, we will write the number in words 43,17,506. Now we move on to another topic in this chapter, which is successors and predecessors. Let me give you a brief introduction. The successor of a number is the number that comes just after it. To find the successor of a number, add 1. So finding the successor of a number is very easy. You simply have to add 1. Example 232465. That means 2,32,465. When we add 1 to the number, we get 2,32,466. So 2,32,466 is the successor of 2,32,465. Similarly, the predecessor of a number is the number that comes just before it. To find the predecessor of a number, subtract 1. So we have the same number here now, 2,32,465, from which when we subtract 1, we get 2,32,464. So Here below I have written all the three numbers together. In the middle we have our main number, that is 2,32,465. The after number or the successor is written on the right hand side, 2,32,466, and on the left hand side we have the before number or the predecessor, 2,32,464. Now let us have a look at an example where we have 5 numbers. So let us find the predecessor and successor of these numbers. So I have made a table over here which will make it easy for you to get the answers. In the green column I have written down all the numbers that are there in our question. On the right hand side I have added 1 to all the numbers, and on the extreme right corner I have the answers of all the successors. On the left hand side I have subtracted 1 from the numbers, and on the extreme left I have the answers of all the predecessors. Have a look at the numbers one by one. The first number is 63,514. So the successor is 63,515 and the predecessor is 63,513. Similarly, the next number is 3,68,275. So the successor is 3,68,276 and the predecessor is 3,68,274. Let's take another example. 5,13,819. So when we add 1 to the number, we get 5,13,820. Sometimes when there is a 9 at the end of a number, after we add 1, it changes to 0. So do not get confused in this type of questions. Please do the addition carefully so that you get the correct answer. The next number is 75,96,010. So the successor is easy, 75,96,011. The predecessor, however, is slightly difficult, 75,96,009. Students often face problems in this type of questions where they have to write the successor of this kind of a number. When the 10 changes to 9, we often get confused as to how many zeros we should add. Therefore, when you are doing the subtraction, you have to be careful that you are doing it properly so that you get the correct answer. Finally, we have 86,63,500. After adding 1, the answer is, after adding 1, the successor is 86,63,501. Similarly, the predecessor is 86,63,499. Once more, these type of questions can be slightly confusing where the number ends in zeros. Please be careful when you are doing the subtraction. With this, we have completed the first part of the chapter, and here I have some exercise questions for you. The question number 1 is, write the following numbers in figures and words. So you will find this very familiar because we discussed this right in the beginning of this video. The smallest 5-digit number in figures and words. Next we have greatest 6-digit number. After that, greatest 7-digit number and smallest 7-digit number. So these we have discussed all these questions right in the beginning of the chapter. I hope it will be easy for you to find the answers. Next we have write the following number in words. So we practiced how to write numbers in words towards the beginning of the video. I hope you won't have any problem solving these questions. Similarly, write the following number in figures. As I mentioned before, writing the numbers down in the place value chart will make it easier for you to write them in words or in figures. So when you solve them in your notebook, always put them in the place value chart first and then write the answer. Here we have write the number represented on the abacus in figures and in words. So this is easy. You will have to see how many beads or circles are there in each place value and write down the number in figures and words. Once again, the place value chart will be very helpful for you. Here we have write the successor of the following numbers and write the predecessor of the following numbers. We just discussed how we can easily find the successor and predecessor of the numbers. I hope you remember it and will be able to solve these questions easily. Lastly, we have complete the following series by observing the pattern. Let us have a close look at question number A. First number is 4,21,340. The second number is 4,21,342 and the third number is 4,21,344. If you look closely, the last digit in all these three numbers are changing and it is following a certain pattern. Here I can easily tell that the numbers are being changing by adding 2 to each number. Like you can see, 4,21,340 plus 2 is 4,21,342. Again plus 2 we get 4,21,344. So the fourth number in the pattern will be 4,21,346. Again plus 2, the next number will be 4,21,348. And finally the last number will be 4,21,350. So this is how we can predict the pattern in these numbers and complete the series. I will leave question number B and C to you so that you can solve them yourself. With this we come to the end of one part of the chapter. In the next video we will cover more topics that are there in this chapter. That's all for today. Thank you.